Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm a lucky man because I received this lock from a coworker. He had this lock on his bike to secure his bike, and he lost his key, so he had to cut through the wire. And as I have seen this broken lock laying around, I asked him if I could have it, and yeah, so it's mine. I want to show you how it works and how I pick it and how the internals look like. So it works the following way. One side of the cable of the wire is attached to the lock permanently, and we have two channels here, one channel here and one channel on the other side, and you can use it and stick it into the hole here, and it comes out at the other side. And now this one is locked, so it goes in easily in this direction, but it's locked in the other direction. And the same with the other channel. I use this one here, so you can make two sides to lock something with that with that SAFEMAN, and the rest of the cable you can just shorten here, or when you wanna carry it around, you can wrap around everything of the wire. So before I take it apart, I wanna pick it, and it's a easy to pick wafer lock. So okay, I need to arrange the camera a little bit, and then I'll be back. So now I have my setup. I use the tension wrench here at the edge to open the keyway and to apply light tension. You can see here the wafers on the other side of the keyway, and you have to turn it clockwise. So let's try if it opens. And it's open. Now we can, zoom out a little bit. Now we can release, or we can retract the cable. So now it's free and it's open. Yeah, we do not have to discuss the security of this lock. It only costs a few euros, and of course you can cut through the wire easily, and you can pick it in a hurry. So that's not we don't have to discuss this. This is very obvious, I think. But it's an interesting mechanism, and I want to see how strong, for example, it is that the cable is held inside, and yeah, other properties of this lock. Okay, I will take it downstairs for further inspection. Okay. Back in the test lab, and before I begin with my testing, I have my anestheticum for locks. Give it a good sleep so that it does not have to suffer. Alright, so now it's still unlocked, because I picked it just before. Now it's locked. And I push the wire through, so now it's locked, and let's see if I can pull it out. Clamp one side in the vise. Now I try to bring as much force as possible. Yeah. And that's easy. That's the whole resistance. Okay, do it one more time. So this is the easygoing direction, and you can just pull it out. So this is actually not a big deal. I cannot believe that this is so easily possible. So again, this is the locked direction, and maybe also without a vise, maybe it only like this. Yeah, possible. So it destroys a little bit of the plastic that's wrapped around, and yeah, it goes through. No big deal. Okay, so yeah, what else can we do with that lock? Okay, of course we can take it apart and look and at the inside. So hold on. Before I take it apart, I forgot about the most obvious test. Just to cut through the wire, and I don't have a big bolt cutter, I only have a tool like this, and yeah, let's try it. No, with a tool like this it's not possible to cut through the cable here, but with the smallest bolt cutter I think you can easily go make your work and cut it into pieces. Okay, but now let's take it apart. And from the hands you might recognize that's not me that is doing the actual work, because I have a assistant here. My son is helping me. Now we will go upstairs and complete the disassembling. So I'm back here on my desk, and I have another little helper, my other son, that's going to take this apart. So it's only this little piece here, this nose here, that needs to be pushed, and then we can pull out the plug. Okay, here we are, that's the plug. It's five wafers here. Need a pick. I need I take that one. So they move when you stick in the key, and when you have the right key, then they make free the space here. And here we have grooves where these wafers belong when it's locked, and when they are depressed, of course it's free and you can turn the plug. So let's pull out one of those wafers. Oops. So standard wafers, they all look the same for these kind of locks. At least I have not seen anything else beside of this type of mechanism here. Okay, they won't come out, but I think you got it. So here's the spring. They have different heights here, and well, according to the bidding, of course. So let me arrange everything nicely for you for a final snapshot. Alright, so here you see all the different parts of the lock. Let's have a closer look to the wafers. Here they are. You can see that they have different thicknesses here on the top and on the bottom, according to the bidding on the key. And I want to show you this mechanism a little bit more. So now it's in the locked position, and when you push the cable in the channel here, it can, so this leg here can move, and when you try to retract it, then it stops because of the teeth. So it's getting longer because of the angle, and it stops here. So, and when you want to unlock it, take the plug, then you turn it clockwise, and this reduces the distance here between these 2 points, and then this leg here goes in that direction and frees up the channel. So that's how this mechanism works. And yeah, well, we are done. Here are all the parts. Lock is apart. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Happy picking.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye.